Gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum. On the behalf of Chief Minister Balochistan Mir Abdul Quddus Bizinjo and the government of Balochistan, I am very thankful to the Prime Minister of Republic of Turkey, Mr. Tayyip Erdogan, and Ambassador of Turkey, Mr. Professor Dr. Rahmat, and the public of Turkey for the extended relief assistance to government of Balochistan. Balochistan has been hit by emergency rains, floods of monsoon 2022 and created much devastation in almost 31 districts of Balochistan, and some of the districts including Sobatpur, Lasbela, Jalmaksi, Nasirabad, Jafarabad, Sibbi adversely affected. Since PDM Balochistan with its stakeholders Pak Army, FC Balochistan, humanitarian organizations, district administrations is making every possible efforts to respond the relief required and before the relief activities in rescue operation evacuated thousands of affectees. The government of Balochistan expresses its gratitude and thanks to the Republic of Turkey, and we hope that the government of Turkey will be work in the process of rehabilitation, because thousands of people have lost their shelters, economic livelihood, etc., and would like to thank you for the support of Republic of Turkey for the assistance in flood of 2010. Thank you very much.